Hi dearies, welcome to my channel Boo Dolls, and I believe in ABC, that is anybody can crochet. So let me start with all the basics. What you need is a crochet hook and some woolen. So let's get started. Let's learn the most basic thing, that is the crochet knot. So very simple to make. First we will make it with our fingers and then I will show with the crochet hook also. So you just hold towards the end of your woolen and you just twist it and put your fingers inside and pull the yarn, and here we get this knot. And whenever we pull the other end, it should become smaller, and if I pull it completely, it will open. So that is how the crochet knot usually be made. Let's make it one more time. So just twist it, pull it inside and pull the yarn. So let's make the same knot with the hook. So you do the same thing one more time. Come towards the end of your yarn, make a twist and make a loop, and you insert the hook and you pull the yarn from the hook. Earlier we just did it from our fingers and now we are doing it with the hook, and that's it. The simple knot is already made, and when you pull it, it should open completely. So let's make it one more time. I'll just twist the yarn, put it inside, pull the yarn outside, and here the knot is ready. Let's start making the chain now. So I will make a knot using my hook, put it inside, pull the yarn, and here is my knot. Okay, so one more thing which is very important is providing the yarn from your left hand or the non-active hand. So here how do I do is, like, I just rotate it along with my small finger and take it from the top, and this is how, I provide the yarn for my crochet work, and this works better. So let's start. So I have inserted my hook inside the knot what we have just made. So just go from the inside one yarn over and pull it from the loop inside. So this is my first chain. So let's make one more time. Just push your needle and pull it from inside the loop. Let's make one more. Okay, so very simple. Just take the yarn from your hook, and from this hook what is there on your needle, you just put it inside and pull it. So let's make two more and I will show you how this works. So these are our chains. These are the foundation for any of the crochet work what we are going to do next. Okay, now we will see how do we make the SC, that is single crochet. So from the foundation of our chains what we just made, we will make a single crochet on each of these chains, and for which I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 chains. So I will make a 10 chain as my foundation. So I'll make 4 more. Okay, so I'm just making the chain 8 9 and this is my 10, and here I have 10 chains. So how do we do the single crochet is, so this is the chain, the first chain what we are going to leave, and on the second chain I will just insert my hook inside and take the yarn and pull it from the loop, and now I have 2 yarns on my needle. So I'll one more time yarn over and pull through both. Okay, so this is my single crochet. So I will do one more time, and this time I have done it on the second chain. So I will go with the third chain now. So just insert on the third chain, yarn over, pull it, and now I have 2 loops on my needle. So yarn over and pull through both. So this is my single crochet, and this is the layer what is forming on above the chains what we have made. So let me do one more. So pull it inside, yarn over. I have 2 loops now. One more time, yarn over, pull through both. Okay, so this is how it will be looking. So I will be making single crochet on all the chains. So you can just pause or play it slow, and you can do it along. And when you have the 10 single crochets which is made on the 10 chains what we have created, so you can just pause the video there. So this is the single crochet what we have made. You know, whenever we are doing a crochet project, it will always be like going in, going out, going in, going out. So when coming out, we will just chain 1 and just rotate this. Okay, so just reverse it, and now we will do the single crochet on these chains now. So same thing, so insert, yarn over, have 2 loops and pull it together. So same thing, I'm just doing it little faster to show how it is going to look. So I'm just making a single crochet on all the stitches. So just insert, yarn over, having 2 loops and pull it together. Okay, so I'm just making it 3 more times so that my second row will be complete. And 1 more, and this is my last. Okay, so here we see 1 chain here, so I'm just going inside the loops. Okay, so now 2 rows are complete. So we can make multiple rows like this and make it bigger. So whenever we turn, always remember to make a chain and then rotate. And now I will be doing the stitches on these chains. So just insert on both the loops. So this is called front loop, back loop. So both the loops, insert and do like this. So this is how we do the single crochets. Okay, so we just now learned how to make a single crochet. So I had initially made 10 chains and then made 6 rows of single crochets, and this is how it is going to look, a very beautiful design itself.